In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save hundreds on flights with Skyscanner. If you're flexible with where and when you travel, this method can uncover deals you might otherwise miss, and it only takes a couple of minutes. Start by opening the Skyscanner website. On the home page, you'll see the flight search box. In the departure field, type your home airport or the place you'll be flying from. You can enter a city or a specific airport, whatever is most convenient for you. Now move to the destination field and choose the option called Everywhere. This tells Skyscanner you're open to multiple destinations and want to see the best value options across the map. When that appears, click Explore Everywhere to confirm. Next, set up your dates to stay flexible. Click the depart date and select Flexible Dates. Instead of picking exact days, choose a month that could work for you. Flexibility across a whole month lets Skyscanner surface the cheapest combinations. When you've picked the month, click Apply to lock it in. Do the same for your return date. Click the return date, pick flexible dates, and select the same month or another that fits your plans, then click Apply. With both directions set to flexible, you're giving the tool the widest search window to find real savings. Click Search. Skyscanner will compile options and show you the lowest fares it can find, often grouped by country and then by city, with a starting price next to each destination. This overview is where the magic happens, because you can instantly compare how far your budget will take you. To focus on value first, switch to the cheapest flights view if you see that option. This prioritizes the lowest available fares, helping you quickly spot standout deals. From here, select a destination that fits your budget and interests. Click into the country, then choose a specific city you'd like to visit. Once you open a city, you'll see prices across the entire month laid out day by day. This monthly view makes it easy to spot the cheapest departure and return dates at a glance, so you can fine-tune your trip to match the lowest fare windows. As you review, keep an eye on flight duration, layovers, and baggage rules. Cheap fares can vary in what they include. Midweek and shoulder season dates often come out lower, and being open to nearby airports can expand your options. That's it. Follow these steps and you'll consistently surface the best value routes and dates. Happy deal hunting and enjoy your next trip for less.